Hi, I'm Dr. Hilai Gupta, Senior Consultant Obs Gynae with Paras Bliss. Today I'm going to talk about menstrual cycle and menarche. Menstrual cycle is the natural change which occurs in the woman's reproductive system, and it prepares her for subsequent pregnancies. The onset of first menstrual cycle, or periods as we call it, occurs between the age 12 to 15 years of age. But it can occur as early as 8 years of age or as late as 17 years of age. Onset of first menstrual cycle is associated with other body changes also. And the time period when these body changes occurs and the menstrual cycle starts is called as menarche. The changes which can take place in the body are increased hair growth, axillary and pubic hair growth, breast development, and also menstrual cycle initiation and eventually ovulation. The time interval between the two menstrual cycles could be between 21 to 45 days. However, a perfect menstrual cycle occurs after 28 days. The duration of bleeding could be between 2 to 7 days, and it can be associated with pre or post menstrual spotting. Ovulation or egg development and release is not a feature of first few cycles. However, as menstrual cycle establishes itself, ovulation takes place and then subsequent pregnancy can take place. Onset of menarche among girls in developed countries is at a slightly early age, and in underdeveloped countries the menarche age is at a slightly later age. Nevertheless, these young girls, they need to be explained and educated about menstrual cycle and how to deal with it, how to deal with the taboos, how to prepare themselves hygienically for the menstrual cycle, and also they need to be discussed with about the pregnancy outcome, contraception use, sexual activities, and also other problems which can occur during menstrual cycle like abdominal cramps, excessive bleeding, and weakness which can happen, and also mood swings which can take place, and it is called as PMS. By offering medication in the form of painkillers and some vitamins, these problems can be dealt with. They also need to be explained how to use the sanitary napkins and how to dispose it, how to change, how frequently to change, and what to expect. And also how to prevent urinary tract infection and vaginal infections. If all these aspects are explained properly to these young girls, menstruation would be taken as a positive, welcome step into adulthood.